everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Play-Doh cactus or some Play-Doh cacti. Looking cool! These are amazing. So let's get started. I've got some tanned Play-Doh and this is going to make my pot. So let's shape the pot using our hands. We want a flat top and a flat bottom. Keep shaping until you're happy with how it looks. Set that aside and now take some more Play-Doh in the same colour. I want a really long thin rectangle. This is going to trim the top of the pot. I want a little bit of an overlap because we need to add some soil. Cut away any excess and roll it around the top like so. Now I'm adding the dirt, using dark brown Play-Doh. Press it in. It doesn't have to be super smooth because dirt isn't. Use a tool to press it to the edge. Great, that looks awesome. I have 4 of these, one for each of our cacti. Now I'm taking some light green Play-Doh. I'm rolling 6 different shapes. I'm now taking a toothpick. This is going to add strength because they're so tall. Insert the toothpick and then stick the cacti into the dirt. Looking cool! Like I said, I've made 6, but you can make as many or as little as you like. It depends how busy you want your cactus plant to be. Perfect. That looks great, doesn't it? Now let's make another variety. I'm going to use some dark green Play-Doh this time, and I'm going to make a coin shape. I'm then going to use a toothpick to add some texture to the outside. I'm going to repeat that process, but making a smaller shape. Now let's assemble. Similar to before, I'm adding a toothpick to give it some structure. Except this time, I'm adding the second shape on the top, like so. Now I have some yellow Play-Doh. Just like the desert cactus flowers, I'm adding some small little balls onto the cactus to give it some colour. Perfect! Let's make our next one. I'm rolling a cactus shape and I'm giving it texture with the toothpick, just like we did before. Perfect! That looks great. Let's add it using our toothpick. I'm going to create a mini bit of cactus, like the cactus arms you see in traditional cacti. I've taken one toothpick and broke it into multiple bits. This is because we need little bits to attach the arms. Kind of looks a bit like Popeye. Perfect! That's a great traditional cactus. Finally, I have some more green. This is a mixture of dark green and light green, so it's not quite as dark and not quite as light as the colours we've been using before. I'm making a leaf shape and adding some texture with the toothpick. I'm going to do this multiple times. Looking good. Nearly there. Great! I'm now going to add bright pink tips to the cactus. I'm rolling out some pink Play-Doh flat and then adding it, like so, to the top. These look great. I love the contrast between the pink and the green. I have 6 of these pieces, and again, I'm assembling with toothpicks. When the pieces are little, you can snap the toothpick in half. This is going to be a great cactus garden. And there are all of our cacti. Don't they look absolutely amazing? I'm so happy with how these turned out. Super cute. So thanks very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. That's been Play-Doh Cactus or Play-Doh Cacti. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.